Remember this truck? Remember this truck? We're going to be doing some work on it. Now guys, this is another rebuild right here. I'm rebuilding this truck because it's decent. It's one of my best builds actually, paint-wise and everything. But we are going to rebuild this truck because there are some issues I want to fix on it. There is some seam lines. There's some stuff I have to take care of under here. Literally no wiring besides some spark plugs, and they're like the shitty yarn I used to use. So we're going to do, we're going to get a bunch of reference pictures, and we're going to do a bunch of wiring and a bunch of modifications to this to make it better, and we're going to repaint the entire vehicle. Let's tear this baby down. So guys, we've done a whole bunch. We have chrome parts painted, black parts painted, more stuff that's already been painted that's done. So we got a side right here. This side we're not going to work on any more painting or anything, that's all good. This side we're going to paint just a bit more. And this is our body, bed, hood, and that's everything. If you are wondering about this is a project that me and my dad are building right now. Yeah, this is not on the channel. I will see you next time. Hope you enjoy this video.